In this assignment, we're going to be illustrating and looking at the lifespan of different stars, specifically the sun, and see how nuclear fusion changes stars. You will do that by accessing the Star in a Box simulation. It will open like this. All you have to do is just click Open Lid. On the simulation, you have some different parts. First, you can change the mass. It automatically starts with a mass similar to the sun. As you can see right here, this black dot represents where the sun is located on the HR diagram. At the top, it tells you which stage. Over here, you have different icons, so you can compare the size, the temperature, brightness, look at the different stages, and compare the mass. You can reset by clicking here, and you can press play to run the simulation. If you prefer numbers, there's also a data table that you can access instead. So in this simulation, first of all, you're going to look at a star similar to the size of the sun. I want you to name the 3 stages the sun will go through. Next, I want you to compare the radius, the luminosity, which is another word for brightness, the temperature, and the mass. Do so by saying it's going to increase, decrease, or stay the same. In the next part, you'll go through each icon and answer the following questions. You can write your answers here. Be sure to answer this question: what type of star will the sun be at the end of its life cycle? In step 3, you're going to be comparing stars of different masses. So in the simulation, down here at the bottom left, you can change the mass of the sun. I want you to draw the path on this diagram for the different masses. You can do that by clicking on the draw feature, choosing whatever color you want. You can start drawing, and then when you're done drawing, you can press the select and it will take you back to your cursor. Make sure you label the path for each star. You're also going to tell me the names of the 3 stages for each size. Don't forget to answer these questions. Step 4 is all multiple choice. Go ahead and just highlight your answers.